Miata over in the left lane. Miata success story for Mazda. The little sports car, 4-cylinder twin cam. Here in the right lane, Cadillac over in the burger lane. Seconds ahead at the finish line for the Caddy. Duster here in the right lane. Camaro over in the burger lane. Have an old school, new school. You have 70s vintage. Duster takes on the current Camaro.
I thought I heard him say 790 something.
Duster
Let's see if that's true.
First, but the Camaro caught him. No time up on the board. Camaro driver just wants you to know what he's running. Gets there first.
Thank you, sir. Oh, wow. 792 at 88 miles an hour. Now, this is awesome. Chevy short pad over the burger.
Back of the lanes will be closing in 10 minutes. The back of the staging lanes will be closing in 10 minutes. If you want to get that last run in, now's the time to do it. The back of the lanes will be closing in 10 minutes. Cadillac CTS 4-door, taking on the Camaro here in the Lucas lane.